Hello Drone Racers, I'm Mark, and today on DroneRacer101 we're gonna give away some stuff. It is the end of the year, well actually it's into the new year, but as of last year we had a contest going to give away a whole bunch of stuff. The goal was to get to 10,000 subscribers and we made it to 6,500. Well, that's not bad, we'll take it, I'll take it. Didn't go quite the way I really hoped it would, but still we've got two things. So at 5,000 subscribers we're giving away the Tyrannus QX7. This is the one I got on GearBest for like $65 on one of their flash sales. It was a crazy deal. I haven't seen them quite match that one yet. And then at 6,000 subscribers, I had it listed as a X215, but since that one has been crashed and put back together and got some mud in it, GearBest offered up a brand new GT215. So instead of the X215, we're gonna give away a brand new GT215. Maybe it's better, maybe it's worse, but it's brand new. So we're gonna go with that. I know I haven't reviewed this on the channel yet, but I do have another one in the box to review. So we'll get to that one soon. This one is gonna get shipped off. The question is who's gonna get it? Now both of these are going to one person. That was the deal. The first three prizes were going to one person. The second three prizes were going to another. So this will give him a great setup because this comes with a FrSky receiver in it that will match right up to this. And the winner of this is, okay, here we go. Not an American name, I can do this. Guthier Baron. That's what I'm gonna go with. Guthier Baron from Reims, France. It's the first time I've had this shipped to France, so hopefully that's okay. But I drew his name out of the hat. It was drawn as a bonus entry for my subscribers. And the all-important answer to the magic question was, he is going to try to improve my skills. Now I'm flying a real low-cost 110mm racer on FlySky. I'd be so happy to be able to trust my hardware more. That is a great answer and fits in perfectly with what we're trying to do here. So as soon as I saw that, I was really happy with him winning this. So even if you didn't win this, don't worry. 2018, we have plenty of things to give away. There's a huge pile of stuff that I need to go through, but this weather is being a total pain in the butt. It was -13 Fahrenheit this morning. But I've already emailed Guthier, so we'll get his shipping information and I will let you know the next giveaway will probably come hopefully this weekend. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Hit that little bell icon so you get notices for all the emails to make sure you don't miss any of the reviews and giveaways. And did you notice? Look, we have the new logo. So we actually have another winner. This one was kind of from a unanimous decision. So I had a contest to help me design a new banner and a logo, and the clear winner of that was Felipe Dennis. He is currently residing in Portugal, so he's being sent a QAV 105, which I just saw today is gonna fit my theory for the perfect fit for the Runcam Split Mini. The Runcam Split Mini was just announced and it's gonna fit perfectly in that frame, I think. I'm not gonna get to see it in that frame because that one's gonna be on its way to Portugal, but don't worry, as soon as that's released, we're gonna have a review as soon as possible, I guarantee. But I definitely want to give Felipe a huge shout out for all the help that he's done. He not only made the one banner, but he reformatted it for Twitter and Facebook to fit all there. As soon as I posted the image on YouTube this morning, he sent me an update that would fit better and look better. So it's a huge thank you, man, for all the help you've done for that. I really dig the blue. The logo, the background is great, the banner is great, but I really like the logo. It really stands out. So if you like the big year giveaway with a goal, let me know and maybe we'll start one again for the end of the year. I almost don't know. Who knows what's going to be available by the end of 2018. It's probably too early for that. But until next time, remember,
I'm French. Why do you think I have this outrageous accent?